1953 MGTD. Price $14,750. Location Alabama. The 1953 MGTD is a timeless British roadster that perfectly captures the spirit of classic motoring. Finished in a striking bright red exterior, this car immediately draws attention with its vintage charm and elegant presence. Its cream interior pairs beautifully with the exterior, while the walnut dashboard adds a layer of sophistication that reflects true craftsmanship from the golden age of automobiles. The heart of this MGTD is its 250cc X-PAG inline-4 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The driving experience is raw, mechanical, and deeply engaging, something that modern cars rarely offer. This car was never about top speed, but about the joy of driving itself, where every shift and every turn feels connected and meaningful. The dual SU carburetors provide smooth throttle response, giving the car a lively and responsive character on the road. Combined with its lightweight design, the MGTD delivers a fun and nimble ride that makes every journey feel special. The drum brake system and classic Jaeger instruments further emphasize its authentic and original mechanical setup. The exterior design showcases iconic MGT series styling, including the signature vertical radiator grille, chrome bumpers with overriders, and beautifully detailed hood louvers. Sitting on 15-inch steel disc wheels wrapped in Nankang tires, the car maintains its period-correct appearance. The rear-mounted spare wheel adds not only practicality, but also enhances its classic roadster look. The interior continues the vintage experience with bench-style seating, a banjo-style 3-spoke steering wheel, and thoughtful details like map pockets. The cream convertible soft top allows for open-air driving, making it perfect for scenic drives on sunny days. Every inch of this cabin is designed to transport you back in time. The matching numbers on this MGTD add significant value, ensuring authenticity and originality that collectors highly appreciate. A unique highlight is the blue California license plate, which reflects its long history and adds another layer of character to this already charming vehicle. The 1953 MGTD is more than just a car. It is a piece of history, a symbol of pure driving pleasure, and a rare opportunity for enthusiasts to own a truly iconic classic. Whether you're a collector or someone who simply loves vintage cars, this MGTD is ready to deliver an unforgettable driving experience.